bought it for a dime. Her sister had another one, she paid it for a lime. She put the lime in the coconut and drank them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she drank them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she drank them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she called the doctor and woke him up and said, Doctor, there's nothing I can take. I said, Doctor, to relieve this pain. I said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor, to relieve this pain.
Now, let me get this straight. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink and bold up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink and bold up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink and bold up. Put the lime in the coconut, you call your doctor, move the doctor. Tell me what's the nothing I can tell me what's the doctor. Tell me what's the relieve this bellyache. I said, Doctor, tell me what's the nothing I can take. I said, Doctor, tell me what's the relieve this bellyache. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both together. Put the lime in the coconut and you feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, you call me in the morning. Brother bought a coconut, he brought it for a dime. Sister had another one, she paid it for a lime. She put the lime in the coconut, she drank them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, she called the doctor and woke him up. He said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? She said, Doctor, relieve this bellyache. I said, Doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, Doctor, now let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both up. You put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both up. Put the lime in the coconut, you're such a silly woman. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both together. Put the lime in the coconut and you feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink them both down. Put the lime in the coconut, call me in the morning. If there's nothing you can take, I said, woo. To relieve your bellyache, I said, woo. If there's nothing I can take, I said, woo. If there's nothing you can take, I said, hi-ya. If there's nothing I can take, I said, wow. If there's nothing I can take, I said, 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 you're such a silly baby. Put a lime in the coconut and drink them both together. Put a lime in the coconut and you feel better. Put a lime in the coconut and drink them both down. Put a lime in the coconut and call me in the morning. Yes, you call me in the morning. You call me in the morning, I tell you what to do. You call me in the morning, I tell you what to do. You call me in the morning, I tell you what to do.
Well, welcome back, everybody. You're at Showbiz Pizza Place. And if you were around for the last show, you probably remember that Fats's keyboard there, the magical tune machine, busted on him, and we had to take a break and so he could try and fix it. Hey, you got that thing working yet, Fats?
Well, no.
Looney Bird, would you please turn down your radio? I can't hear Fats talking.
It's not on, Billy Bob.
Okay, Fats, there it is again. Looney Bird, would you turn it down?
I told you it's not on, Billy Bob.
Well, that's strange. It seems to be on every time I try and say something.
Well, this calls for the application of scientific testing debugging procedures. I love procedures. Oh, how I love procedures.
Well, what should we do, Looney Bird?
Listen very carefully and follow my instructions to the letter.
Yes, sir.
Okay, open your mouth. Close your mouth. Open your mouth. Close your mouth. Aha, that's it.
What's it?
Well, it's quite simple, really. You see, every time you open your mouth, that silver filling you got there in your front tooth seems to be coupling through high-frequency interference with the antenna that I've got plugged into my barrel here, causing a high-frequency discoupling and causing a radio station to be picked up through the front tooth and the antenna plug-in combination.
Oh, no. Well, what do we do?
Well, we're going to have to yank it out, of course.
My tooth?
No, the plug to the antenna. Like this.
Hey, look, whatever y'all just did, just fix the tune machine.
Well, I'll be a monkey's uncle. Looney, you're a genius.
I know.
Ladies featuring our female vocalist Mitzi and the magical mystical tune machine of Fats. Here's Venus.
That is on the mountain top, burning like a silver flame. The summit of beauty and love, and Venus was her name. She's got it, yeah, baby, she's got it. Well, I'm your Venus, I'm your fire, it's your desire. She's got it.